Hello children, I welcome you all in today's GK class. Children, today we are going to do one exercise based on animal kingdom, which is given on page number 8. So I request you all to open page number 8 of your GK book. Here you can see some of the questions based on animal world are given. I am going to read out each of the questions. For each question, 3 options are given. We need to find out the correct option for each question. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 1 is, which of these refers to a layer of fat that helps animals such as walruses, seals and penguins keep warm? So children, some of the animals have a layer of fat, muscles, okay, on their body, which helps them to keep warm. These animals mostly live in cold places, so this layer helps them to keep warm, and it is called as blubber. Correct answer is option C, blubber. BLUBBER. So you need to put tick mark against option C, blubber. You can either circle it or put tick mark against it. Alright. Now question 2, which of these is a cold-blooded animal? So children, cold-blooded animals are the animals that can change their body temperature according to the temperature of surrounding. Okay, so here options are frog, eagle and rat. So among these, frog is a cold-blooded animal. Okay, frog can regulate its body temperature according to the surrounding. Now question 3, which of these is not really a bear? Options are sun bear, grizzly bear and koala bear. So children, option is C, koala bear. Koala bear is not really a bear. Okay. Now question 4, which member of the big cat family has species called the Indian and Siberian? So children, tiger is the species that comes from big cat family. Okay, and it has two very famous species, that is Indian and Siberian. Indian tigers and Siberian tigers belong to big cat family. All right. So next question 5, which of these animal is an omnivore? Omnivore are animals that eat both plants and meat. Okay, so here options are bear, panther, deer. So correct option is bear. Bear is an omnivore. Okay, bear feeds on both meat and plants. Now next question 6, many animals deal with the harshness of winter by becoming dormant or inactive. This long sleep is called, options are hibernation, transpiration, estivation. So children, to deal with coldness of some of the places, some animals become dormant. They stop their activity. Okay, and this long sleep is called as hibernation. So correct option is option A, hibernation. Now question 7, which of the following type of mammals lay eggs instead of giving birth? So children, most of the mammals give birth to young ones. They take care of their babies. Okay, but monotremes are the mammals. They are the type of the mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to young ones. So correct option is B, monotremes. Now coming up to question 8. What makes bees and mosquitoes create a loud buzzing noise? So children, what is the thing that create loud buzzing noise? It is beating of wings. Option B is the correct one. When mosquitoes and bees beats their wings, it creates a loud buzzing noise. Okay. Now coming up to question 9. The substance found in rhinoceros horns is also found in human dash. Options are hair, bones, skin. So children, you need to find out the part of human which has same substance which is present in rhinoceros horns. So correct option is hair. Okay, the substance found in rhinoceros horns is also found in human hair. Okay, now next is, how many compartments does the stomach of a cow have? So children, options are 2, 4, 1. So children, a cow have 4 compartments in its stomach. Okay, it has 4 compartments, divisions. Okay, 4 partitions of the stomach. Now next question, a hippopotamus can run faster than which of these creatures? Options are cheetah, human being, antelope. So correct answer is human being. A hippopotamus can run faster than human being. Now question 12. Which of these birds can rotate its neck 270 degrees? Correct option is owl. Owl can rotate its neck 270 degrees. No bird can rotate its neck to such an extent. Okay. Now children, here you can see a question is given for thinking. This is for all of you. Now we are going to discuss this question. Okay, question is, do birds use GPS to navigate? How else do they know exactly which route to take every year when they migrate? So children, some of the birds, they migrate every year. They go to some other place after covering long distance. Okay, so how do they know that which route do they take? So it is because of magnetic sensing. Many birds have special chemical in their brains, eyes or bills that help them sense the earth's magnetic field, and this helps the birds orient themselves in the right direction for long journey, just like an internal compass. Okay, as compass has such kind of feature, it has magnetic sensing. Okay, similarly these birds can track their way to cover long journey for migration. Now coming up to tidbits. The Arctic tern migrates from its summer ground in the Arctic to its winter ground in the Antarctic, traveling more than 17,000 kilometers each way every year. This is the longest animal migration in the world. So Arctic tern covers long distance, longest distance, that is 17,000 kilometer every year to migrate. Okay, in the summer they uh, live in Arctic ground, and during winter they move to Antarctic. Okay, and they need to cover 17,000 kilometer every year for their migration. This is the longest animal migration in the world. Now children, here one assignment is there for you. You can see some pictures are given. You need to name these animals. Name of the some of the animals are given in the help box given to the right of the page. Okay, on page number 9. So choose the correct name for the given pictures of the animals. That is all for today children. Complete the assignment. Have a nice day. Take care.